Everyone, my name is Praveengouda. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication stream from Cambridge Institute of Technology North Campus. Today I am here to present on the topic called Air Quality Index, and these are the libraries we used in this project. And after uploading dataset, we analyze the data, and these are the sample dataset of my variables, and these are the variables we get through dataset. And numeric 11 columns are numeric and 3 are objects. And data processing and cleaning, finding the null values. These are the null values we have in the data set. And in industrial activity we have more null values. Filling null values, we are filling null values. Like numeric we use mean, and for objects we use mode. After filling null values, all the variables become 0. There are no null values. Graphs, these are the certain objects we are used, and there is no relationship between the variables. And we use scatter plot for relation between air quality index and PM25, and the points detects the data. And this is the box plot for traffic density and AQ relation, and here it shows like this. And we use box plot for a relation between industrial activity and our target value, air quality index. And we use box plot for relation between wind direction and air quality index. Here it shows there is more quantity in air quality index in northwest, and these are the distribution of certain wind direction. And we use pie chart for wind direction, distribution of wind direction. Here it shows there is maximum wind direction for west and minimum wind direction for northwest. And this pie chart is for traffic density, and it shows 30% for very high, and medium 20%, and low 25%. And we use pie chart for distribution of industrial activity. Here it shows 55% for medium, 21% for low, and 23.2% for high. And here for we plot a histo plot for sulfuric dioxide. Here it shows 50, and 140 counts for 50 at 50. And these are the relation between average values and wind direction. Here it balanced distributed for all the direction of the wind. And OLS module, these are the sample data, and we are drawing all the objects first. Then after we get the 0.05% accuracy, and by applying dummies, there we can get many objects in boot. So we have to convert into float because our data set has float. So by converting it, we get the accuracy 0.012, slightly high. And after we use classification, as here our target value is air quality index, which has x-axis, we use 1 and other for 0. Like we use test set 0.2, only 20% of our data set is high. So after using this classification, our accuracy is 42.5. and classification with neural network, like we use here classified into two. One is below 253 we use as 0, and above we use 1. And here after applying we will get accuracy as 54%, and this is the correlation graph. Here there is no strong relation between the variables. And after we use UI interface for the user, and here I take model pk for our target value. By using dummies, we created a model and dumped in a Gridio. So we get a website. These are the output. Like user is giving input for all these features. After giving input, we get predicted AI, like air quality index. That's it.